Want to use a VPN on Xbox? Maybe you're asking, which is the best VPN for Xbox One? You're in the right place. While consoles don't support VPN apps directly, don't worry, you can still set up a VPN on Xbox. I walk you through it in simple steps and show you the top 3 VPN providers for gamers. Let's get into it. How to use a VPN on Xbox. There are 2 easy ways to set up a VPN connection on Xbox. Option 1. Install your VPN on a router. This gives your Xbox VPN protection automatically. Option 2. Share your VPN from a Windows PC using a network sharing or a Wi-Fi hotspot. Both work great with top providers like NordVPN, Surfshark and ExpressVPN. We'll also talk about features like smart DNS, encryption, kill switches and speed performance. Everything a gaming VPN should offer. NordVPN for Xbox. First up, NordVPN. This VPN provider is a favorite for Xbox users for a reason. It has powerful router support, Ethernet cable setup, and even smart DNS to unlock streaming on Xbox without slowing you down. Here's how to set it up on your router. Log into your router's IP address using a browser. Go to Network Settings or Advanced Setup. Look for PPTP or L2TP VPN protocols. Enable the VPN with your NordVPN credentials. If your router doesn't support this, don't worry. Use the Windows sharing method. Open Control Panel. Go to Adapter Settings. Share your internet connection with Xbox. Use an Ethernet cable for stability. NordVPN offers 10 simultaneous connections, over 7,900 servers in 165 countries, RAM-only servers, kill switch and high-level encryption, top-notch VPN speed and minimal performance impact, perfect for streaming, gaming and privacy. Looking for a VPN discount? There's the deal in the description. Surfshark for Xbox. Next is Surfshark, a strong, affordable VPN that's packed with features. It supports router VPN setup, Ethernet cable, and Wi-Fi hotspot for Xbox. Offers unlimited simultaneous connections, great for families or roommates. Uses smart DNS, perfect for accessing international streaming content. You will also get more than 3,200 servers in 100+ countries. Encryption technology and kill switch. RAM-only servers for better security and privacy. Plus, Surfshark's performance is solid. Great upload speed, VPN speed, and overall reliability for Xbox gamers. It's an easy-to-use VPN even for beginners. ExpressVPN for Xbox. Finally, let's talk about ExpressVPN, a premium option and very popular for Xbox One VPN setup. What makes it shine? Super smooth router setup with interactive guides. A feature called Device Groups lets you assign different VPN locations per device without changing router settings. A tool called Media Streamer lets you change DNS server to access content from other regions and boost streaming speed. ExpressVPN also provides servers in 105 countries, top-tier encryption, kill switch, and secure VPN protocols. Great speed test results with fast, stable download and upload speeds. While it's the most expensive on this list, the ease of use, strong VPN performance, and smart features make it a top VPN for streaming and gaming. Final thoughts. So what's the best VPN for Xbox? NordVPN, great balance of price, speed and features. Surfshark, super affordable, unlimited devices, great for families. ExpressVPN, premium features, smooth VPN setup and best router support. All 3 offer secure connections, strong encryption and are ideal VPNs for gaming and streaming on Xbox. Want the best deals on these? Check the links in the description for exclusive VPN discounts. Like this video if it helped you, comment below with your Xbox VPN experience, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you next time.